At this stage of your life, how much money have you saved? Dun sa naipon mong pera, confident ka na ba na sabihin na na-achieve mo na ang iyong financial freedom? If you are not ready yet, are you interested to find what is your money blueprint so you can reprogram or recondition your money mindset when it comes to savings? Kung meron kang anak, mga pamangkin at mga kaibigan na gusto mong tulungan para makapag-ipon ng pera, paano mo sila maiingganya? How about you? Do you know what is your money blueprint? Find out what is your money blueprint and how it is related to saving money. In this YGT episode number 3, we are going to talk about second source of income from factor 1 of FIRE calculation, and that is saving money. Because saving money is broad and has plenty to cover, I divided this topic into multiple episodes or content. In today's episode is the first part of the money saving video. We will talk about the following: why saving money is important, what is saving money, how do you save money, and what is Tita Florita's money blueprint and how does it relates to my savings. My fellow PhilAm, mga kababayan natin na OFW, my global nephews and nieces, nag-subscribe na ba kayo sa channel na ito? Your global tita is waiting for you to subscribe. Click the notification bell, smash the like button, and share this video to others. Dahil ang video na ito ay makakatulong sa iyo para makamit mo ang iyong financial freedom. All you have to do is watch the channel and pick up the good experiences of Tita Florita about money and learn from the bad experiences that YGT had. Tita, why saving money is important? Well, saving money is incredibly important because it gives you freedom, provides financial security, and savings means you can take a calculated risk and eventually gives you the option to retire. Tita, paki-explica nga po. Number 1, it gives you the freedom to buy what you want in the future, like buying a new home for your child's education, new cars, and buy investments, and on and on and on, depending on your financial goal. Kung may pera ka na laging available sa bangko, magagawa mo ang gusto mo nang walang halong stress. If you are wondering why you save money, isipin mo na lang na binibigyan mo ang sarili ng kalayaang mamili kung ano ang gusto mong gawin. Kesa pakiramdam mo hindi ka makagalaw sa anumang situation dahil nakarely ka lang sa darating mong sahod, or you are relying paycheck to paycheck basis. Number 2, it provides security. Plain and simple. Having money makes your life easier. Like when you lost your job. If you have cushions or reserve in the bank, it is easy for you to get by your monthly expenses while looking for a new job. My recommendation is to put money in savings account where you can keep cash for unexpected expenses and emergencies. Simula noong nagtatrabaho ako dito sa Amerika ay nag-umpisan ako mag-ipon because I want my future self and my family to have a great lifestyle than what we had when I was a kid, and I don't want to get caught in a financial emergency. And number 3, savings means you can take the calculated risk because part of the importance of saving money is to build cash reserves so you can take calculated risk with less worry. Kung wala kang ipon, mahirap kang gawin ang mga bagay na gusto mong gawin, katulad ng passion mo. Let's say may passion ka mag-travel or mag-garden or mag-painting, hindi mo magawa dahil wala kang ipong pera to support your passion. Take starting business, for example. To be a small business owner, you will need financial backing to get it off the ground. Tita, what is saving money for you? For me, savings is not the money that a person has left over after they subtract out their spending from their income. Rather, it represents some portion that you decide to separate first before all expenses and obligations have been paid. Heto ang ibig kong sabihin. Halimbawa, sa tradisyonal na pamamaraan, meron kang net income na $10,000 at meron kang expenses na $8,500. You will subtract all the expenses first and whatever the leftover, yun ang itatawag nilang savings. Sa kabilang banda, ito ang pamamaraan ko. Halimbawa uli, meron kang net income na $10,000. I would deduct the percentage goal for my saving first, let's say 20% first, then saka ko pagkakasyahin ang mga expenses sa natitirang pera. In this case, my strategy is better in my opinion because my mindset prioritizes the savings first or paying myself first rather than paying others which refer to my expenses. Does it make sense? Oo naman, tita, ang galing. So how do you save money, tita? Heto ang mga pamamaraan ko kung paano mag-ipon ng pera. Number 1, use an automated tool to save regularly. Number 2, keep track of your spending. Number 3, separate wants from your needs. And number 4, avoid using credit to pay the bills. Dahil masyado nang hahaba ang video na to, we will talk about this in detail in the next episodes. Very exciting, tita, pero paano mo naman natutuhan ang mga ito? It appears that you have passion with money. Why is that? Well, have you heard about Money Blueprint? According to the book Secret of the Millionaire Mind, each one of us has money blueprint. Your money blueprint is essentially how you have been programmed to respond to money and wealth throughout your life, beginning in your childhood. According to the book, the wealth principle is T leads to F, F leads to A, and A leads to R. T is equals to thought, F is equals to feelings, A is equals to action, and R is equals to result. Your thought leads you to feeling, your feelings lead you to action, and action leads to the result. Kung paano ka mag-isip at magpaikot ng pera ay na-develop iyon from your past programming. You see, when I was growing up, I was verbally conditioned by my father. Isang araw, binasa niya ang guhit ng aking mga palad. Because I have so many lines that intersect on my palm, it creates lots of pockets. Ang sabi ng tatay ko, mga bulsa daw yon na pagtataguan ko ng pera. Because of that, he predicted that I would be an excellent money saver. And that verbal programming from my dad leads me to my thought and embedded it to my subconscious mind. And that programming leads to my feeling every time I think about it, I feel happy and proud because it was a positive prediction from my tatay. And that feelings leads to my action. Because of that positive feeling, I became motivated to make it happen and to prove that my tatay was absolutely correct. I have been saving money since when I was young. And that action leads to the result. At ang resulta na iyon ay ang aking kasalukuyang status, ang pagiging kong isang FIRE, Financial Independence, Retire Early. Sabi nga ni T. Harv Eker, the author of Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, our money and success blueprint was conditioned in 3 different ways. They are through verbal condition, which the example I used when my dad predicted my future, through modeling condition, and specific incidents. Bibigyan ko po kayo ng mga halimbawa nito sa susunod na mga video natin about saving money. Wow, tita! It is very insightful. Nakaka-inspire, tita. Salamat, pero tanong ko sa inyo mga iho at iha, what is your money blueprint? Ang iyo bang money blueprint ay may kinalalaman kung paano ka mag-ipon o gumastos ng pera? And that will be your assignment, my global nephews and nieces, my coffee lambs, and for our global OFWs. Okay, so let's meet again in our next videos, the continuation of saving money. Don't forget to subscribe, ipamahagi ang kwento na ito, smash the like button, at kalimbangin ang kampana. Salamat po and keep safe. Ito ang inyong Tita Florita, your global tita.